Welcome to the Calgary Zoo in Alberta, Canada. Let's take a tour. Wow, it's very beautiful out there. A lot of people come around. I guess there's so many animals to visit. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. But you know what? Let's take you back to the beginning. They have a massive car park, so I don't think car parking will be a problem here. The environment is so enticing. I'm so impressed. While you're watching, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Read through the different directions provided to tell you the different locations in the zoo. From this zoo and public transit entrance, it takes you all the way towards where you go into the main zoo. Let's go. The main experience starts from here. I'm so excited. Oh, my world is so beautiful. Wow. Amazing. Let's continue the tour. I know you can't wait for me to start showing you all the beautiful animals. Watch out for the animal videos. Stay tuned on this tour because it continues in the next video. You're gonna enjoy watching all the beautiful animals. Please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.